Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'll be showing you how to add your website link on your Facebook profile. If you have a website and you want your link to be displaying on your Facebook profile, this video tutorial will show you how to go about it. If you are new to this channel, please subscribe to the channel so you can be able to get more of our interesting videos. So guys, let's quickly dive into this video. So for you to add your website link in your Facebook profile, all you need to do is once you're in your Facebook, once you've logged into your Facebook, you click on the gear button down. Then you click on your profile, you click on your name to see your profile. For example, once you're in your profile just like this, you click on the edit profile, which is this pencil icon. As you're in the edit profile, you scroll down. As you can see, I have two website links currently in my Facebook profile. You click on the edit. Click on the edit, you scroll down. These are the website I have. These are the website I have. If you want to add your website, you click on this add website. Then you type in your website address. For example, let me type in my third website address. After typing in the website address, you click on done. As you can see, the website is displaying there. Then you click on save at the top. It has been saved. Let's go to my profile to see if the website is displaying in my profile. This is my profile. You can see the website biography94.com displaying on my profile. So guys, that is it on how to add your website link in your Facebook profile. I believe the tutorial is helpful. If it is, kindly give me a thumbs up by liking the video, and please, if you're here to subscribe, don't forget to subscribe. I'll see you guys in my next video.